guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. For the new people tuning in, today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Alright, so I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I already primed my lids, and also did one eye off camera. For my eyebrows, I used the Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony from Anastasia. I know I should have gone lighter, but I didn't think I was gonna wear this wig, and at the end I felt like this was the one that looked better. I should have gone with soft brown, but I had already done my eyebrows when I put on my wig. So what I used to prime my lids was the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and for the shadows I used the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the other eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see me doing my eyeshadows more in detail. The first shade I'm gonna go into is Cake Mix, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna take that right into the crease. And all this like white powder that you guys see, I set my primer and I set it with the Makeup Forever HD powder. And I'm just gonna take it to the crease, and I'm gonna try not to take it up so much. That's why I didn't use like such a big blending brush, because I don't want it to go all the way up. And I usually like extend the shadow, but this time I'm just gonna round it out, and I'm just putting it wherever I feel the crease is. Now I'm gonna go into Ouch, which is this brown right here. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. Now I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is Intravenous. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's this one right here. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. And I'm just gonna go back in with the brush I used with the shade Ouch, and blend these two colors together. Left. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. To cut my crease, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. This one is in the color Eden. So I'm just going to take a little bit in the back of my hand, and I'm just going to take like a flat brush and use that to cut out my crease. Alright, so I did cut out my crease. I don't know if you guys were able to see it. I kept hearing the camera going like in focus and out of focus, so I'm not sure if it's going to be clear enough to add to the video. But the next shade I'm going to go into is Cavity. It's this hot pink one right here, and I'm just going to pat that in. We'll go. So while I do my eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and use some Duo adhesive. This one is in White Clear, and I'm going to put these on my lashes and do my liner while that dries. For liner, I'm gonna go into the Essence Super Precise eyeliner. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. Okay, and eyeliner is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my two favorite mascaras, the Essence Lash Princess and the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a coat of each, since I'm gonna put falsies. The falsies I'm using are the Lily Lashes in Miami, and I'm going to move on to my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoot you guys back. Now I'm gonna go into the No Pore Blum primer. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC42. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer in light medium. I love this concealer, by the way. It's like so lightweight. and it covers. Like, the Tarte Shape Tape, I like it, but I feel like I get like these days where I just like want to wear like heavy foundation, and then there's like these days where I just want to wear something but not like so heavy, and I feel the Tarte Shape Tape is like heavy duty. It's something else that I like about this concealer is that, like, usually I would never be able to put my concealer and then blend. I would have to put like concealer here, blend this out, concealer here, blend this out. Like, I would never be able to put my concealer everywhere where I need it and then blend, because it would dry out on me. And this one doesn't do that. I love this concealer. So after the concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Pretty Vulgar Mad About It translucent powder. So to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with the Becca Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation in the shade Nosette, and I'm gonna set the rest of my face with Now we're gonna move on to the bottom lash line. I'm going to go in with Cake Mix and Ouch. First shade I'm gonna grab is Cake Mix. Now I'm gonna go in with Ouch and put that closer to the lash line. I'm also gonna add some black kohl pencil. This one is a vintage in black. Alright, so I'm just smudging it with the brush. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dust off the bake. So for bronzer, I'm gonna go in to the Becca and Chrissy palette. I'm gonna take this bronzer, it's called Malibu Soleil. I'm gonna go in with the rose gold highlighter, and I'm gonna go into the Hibiscus Bloom blush. On the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Evian's facial spray. And I am going to pat it with the Real Techniques sponge. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the lips. I am going to take the Morphe Bite Me lip liner, and I'm going to take some of the Too Faced Sunday Funday, and I'm just going to use my finger to blend this out. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add some bottom lash mascara. I'll be using the same combo. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Fighting to create a song.